Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NAV's Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift, English version. Dear students, now I'm going to take a class 4 plus 4. Our subject is English Literature and topic is Poem-2, which is on page 140 of your book. This is lecture number 12 and homework number 12 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at the poem now. This is on page 140 of your buzzword book. The poem is titled Swift Things Are Beautiful. Let's look at the picture. You can see a deer here, a swallow is flying in the sky, and here you can see a bullock cart on a village road. So let's read the poem. Swift things are beautiful. The poet's name is Elizabeth Cotsworth. In your book, the poet's name is given at the end of the poem, but when you are writing in classwork or for exam or for homework, you should write the poet's name after the title. Okay? So, Swift Things Are Beautiful, written by Elizabeth Cotsworth. Swift things are beautiful, swallows and deer, and lightning that falls, bright winged and clear, rivers and meteors, wind in the wheat, the strong-footed horse, the runner's sure feet. So here the poet is talking about swift things. Swift means quick. Swift things are beautiful, like swallows and deer, like you can see in the picture. So these things are beautiful. And lightning is also swift. The lightning is described as bright winged by the poet. Okay? So bright winged means the flash of lightning that is shaped like a vein. A vein is a tube that carries blood in our body. Then rivers and meteors. These are also swift. And meteors are objects from outer space that come towards Earth, and sometimes we see them in the sky. They appear like streaks of light across the sky. Then the strong-footed horse. Strong-footed means having strong feet. Horse has strong feet and they can run very fast. Then wind in the wheat, this is also swift, and the runner's sure feet. All these things are swift and beautiful. Then let's read the next stanza. And slow things are beautiful, the closing of the day, the pause of the wave that curves downward to spray, the ember that crumbles, the opening of a flower, and the ox that moves on in the quiet of power. So here the poet is talking about all slow things. In the previous stanza the poet talked about swift things being beautiful, but here the poet is saying that slow things are also beautiful and describing many slow things, like the closing of the day, the evening, it falls slowly, the pause of the wave, this is also slow, and when it curves downward to spray. To spray means to cover the air with small drops of water. When the wave curves downward, slowly it sprays water. The ember that crumbles. Ember means a piece of firewood that is red and hot even after the flames have died. When something burns in fire, the ember remains. Okay? That crumbles. Crumbles means falls to pieces. The remaining ember crumbles slowly. The opening of a flower, this is also slow. And the ox that moves on in the quiet of power. Okay, the ox don't crowd, they also move on slowly, and their power is like a quiet power. Okay, it's graceful and quiet, but the ox moves with power. Okay dear students, this poem will be your homework number 12. Poem 2, this is on page 140 of your book, Swift Things Are Beautiful. You will learn 10 lines for exam and you will write it with poet's name properly in your homework copy. Okay dear students, please submit the homework on due time on Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.